Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen. Our third debate will address the motion, "This House would ban vaping." On the pro team, we have Hilya and Adele. On the cons team, we have Adam and Linda. Let us start with the first speaker of the proposition. Yours, Tam.
Okay. Thank you, moderator. We are the pro team firmly support the motion to ban vaping. We argue this based on three key points like health risks, young addiction, and lack of term safety evidence. Vape contain nicotine, toxic chemical, and fine particle that can severely damage the lung, according to the Center for the Disease Control and Prevention. 1 in 4 teenage vapers show signs of nicotine addiction and case. Furthermore, vaping has become a gateway to smoking among adolescents. The appealing flavor and marketing strategies clearly target young consumers, normalizing addiction at an early age. So, thank you. That's all.
Okay, thank you for speaker of the proposition arguments. We now move to the first speaker of the cons team. Time is yours.
Okay, we are contra team. The opposition strongly opposes this motion. We acknowledge health concerns, yet an outright ban on vaping is misguided, counterproductive, and potentially harmful. For many adult smokers, vaping serves as a harm reduction tool. Public Health England 2021 found that vaping is 95% less harmful than traditional cigarette and has helped millions reduce or quit smoking. Banning vaping would force former smokers to return to conventional cigarettes, which are significantly more dangerous. Additionally, prohibiting tends to drive products into black market with no regulation or safety standard, making them even more hazardous. Thus, instead of banning vaping, the focus should be on regulation, age restriction, and consumer education. Thank you.
Okay, thank you for speaker one. We now invite a second speaker of the proposition for the rebuttal and extension. Time is yours.
Okay, thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, allow me to respond the opposition team. The opposition argues that vaping helps smokers quit, and however, research suggests that many vapers continue dual use, meaning they vape and smoke simultaneously, causing even greater nicotine consumption. Harm reduction is ineffective if youth addiction skyrockets in the process. Moreover, heavy regulation is not enough, as flavors, advertising, and online access still reach minors despite age restrictions. Banning vaping is currently the most effective approach to prevent long-term addiction and protect public health. To extend our stance, we emphasize that public health must take priority over commercial interests. Preventing future generations from nicotine dependency is a moral obligation. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, speaker two. We now invite a second speaker of the opposition for the rebuttal and extension. Time is yours.
Okay, so we are from contra team. We are disagree with banning vaping because that's not rational enough. Because vape is like alternative way for adult smokers. If vape be banned, then then it will create a black market for vape. That's even worse. So maybe we can make like a place for vapers, for smokers, than banning vape, because that's not rational enough. Yeah, I think that's it.
Okay, thank you. This conclude the substance argument for both sides. We have moved to the note taker for the final summary and closing remarks on the debate. Time is yours.
Okay, in this debate, the proposition side emphasizes the health risks of vaping, especially for teenagers, including nicotine addiction and unproven long-term effect. They argue that a ban is necessary to protect young people and public health. The opposition side acknowledges this risk but oppose a ban because vaping could be a harm reduction tool for adult smokers. They argue that a ban could actually create a black market and encourage former smokers to return smoking. A more effective solution is strict regulation and education. The conclusion is both sides agree that vaping has risks, especially for teenagers. However, the difference lies the approach actual ban for prevention versus strict regulation for harm reduction for adult smokers.
Okay, thank you, Nutfaker, for the comprehensive summary. Ladies and gentlemen, we have just witnessed a highlight, rigorous, and articulate debate on the motion this House will ban vaping. This concludes our third debate session. Thank you for your attending, and please join me in a round of applause for all participants. Thank you.